Hey there. Do you know you can make up to $100,000 from clicking links? Yes. You heard right. $100,000. If you feel we are joking, here is a proof of what we earned in a week. And yeah, they pay through PayPal. You can earn as much as possible using this website. All you need is a mobile phone, internet connection and PayPal account to receive your earnings. Do not skip any part of the video because bonus tips are going to be shown while the video plays. Watch carefully so you will notice them.
This is MakeMoney Studios, where I walk you through different ways on how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Do not forget to smash the like button and ask possible question or drop opinion on them in the comment box. Here we go.
Open your browser and head on to cpagrip.com. It is an affiliate marketing website where you get paid if an action is completed. Why CPA Grip? CPA Grip is an industry leader in the affiliate marketing space, maintaining an impressive track record of success and publisher satisfaction since 2013. They have good support team, fast payments and lots more. After you have created an account or logged into your account, you'll have access to your dashboard where you'll see an overview of your performance so you can monitor your account. If you have any problems, you can contact your account manager. This is a sample of how the dashboard would look once you've logged in. It shows country, views, clicks and leads and other necessary info needed for you to monitor your stats. These are some testimonials from users and how it has been paying them since. That being said, let's create our account and start earning. Fill in the form, accept terms and conditions, then click Register Now button. Confirm your email address, then log onto your dashboard. This is the dashboard where you track all activities. See, some people has earned over $100,000 from this website. The public chat is where all affiliate marketer can voice out opinions and can chat with each other. There are top performing offers and the country where the user should be from. To see all offers, navigate to the sidebar, Offer Tools, then My Offer. Select which country your users dominate and see offers from there. It shows the title, description and how the offers are performing. As you can see, most of the offers are above $1. If you want to promote these links, select offers with higher net performance. It simply means the chances of the click turning to a conversion is higher than others. Bonus tip. You might be seeing links like this across social media platforms. It's called a link shortener. It is used to embed links and give it a meaningful URL. Head up to rebrandly.com to create your shortened links. You can track your link and monitor the click stats of your links. It is trusted and used by so many popular brands. To get started, scroll up and then click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your name, email and choose a secure password. Then hit the Create Account button. Verify your email from the link sent to your email address to finish creating your account. When the dashboard finishes loading, click on Links, then New Links. Paste the link you copied earlier. Before creating the link, choose a / tag that best describes your link so that it'll lead to a greater number of conversion. Try to choose a unique /tag that hasn't been taken by anyone. Else it'll not go through. Copy your link and share across groups, friends and family, and sit back and start watching the income flowing in. Back to the video. Click on any offer to get the URL. You can add a tracking ID, that is, a unique ID for each user you want to share the URL to. So that if you want to track who completed the offer, you can easily see the tracking ID. Copy the link and share to friends and family. Voila, you can start making up to 100,000 from clicking links. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Links are in the description.